Now we are in the charge and formation site. The charge and formation processing is also very important after the assembly processing. It will formation the battery at the first time to make sure the battery in good condition. And with all the structure processing finished, now we should charge for the batteries, which connected in series for multi-section consistent current charging and discharging in the cooling water sink. It is the most important process for generating active mass in battery. Here you can see a lot of sink we can use that can make sure 50,000 pieces of battery output in one day. It is amazing, isn't it? Let's go and check the formation process. Follow the camera, please. Don't leave. We will have another amazing part which we'll be showing for you for the next. Different battery has different formation period of time. You can see each group, each line has a plate board above the line. It will show you the NC code of the battery, the charging starting time, the charging complete time, and the other information on it. So every line specific gives the different specification of each size of the battery.